should you post videos on YouTube daily? When I research my videos, I tend to get conflicting answers. Some of them are simply just outdated, and in this example, the answer varied from video to video, so I will try my best to explain to you guys how often you should post. Do you want to post daily? Do you want to post weekly? And I have seen YouTubers post up to 2 times a day, and that feels crazy to me. If you have a shorts channel, for example, and you're able to record 2 videos or 3 videos a day, for example, you can post more videos a day. But when it comes to long form, posting 2 times a day is just crazy. But over to the question, should you post daily? I mean, it sort of depends. If you're Life of Tom, for example, he posts every single Monday to Friday. And over the weekend, he still film and we get a mega vlog on Monday. So basically, if your channel works in a way that you need to post every single day, you should post every single day. Let me know, for example, one of my favorite YouTubers, he posts around 1 to 3 times a year because he does so much research. He animates his videos, he does sound design, and it takes a lot of time, and I think he has a big team surrounding him to try to make the best storytelling, animation sort of stuff out there. And his videos are doing really well. His channel is so unique, and he didn't do that in the start. We were posting more videos, but now his channel has grown so much, so he's able to make longer and super good quality videos. It all comes down to, are you able to post? How often should you post? And will your audience get tired of your content? And it can be really easy to understand if you should post more videos. Simply look in the comment section. If people are begging for your next video, post more videos. If people doesn't really seem to be interested, okay, then you have a bit of a problem. What do you do then? This is my solution to this. Post once a week, then you have a goal, then you have something to do, then you know for a fact that, okay, every single weekday at this time I will be posting a video, and then you will grow an audience. And that's really important. And then you will know after a while if people are really interested in your content or not. When you are posting every single day, in the start this can feel fun, but after a while this will become your routine, this will become habit, this will become something that you feel like you have to do. In the start, post every single week if you're able to, and then after a while you will realize yourself, do I enjoy this? Am I able to make more? Is the video quality increasing or decreasing? It all depends. And also, create good content. If you are able to post once a week a super good video, that is so much better than posting a mediocre to a super bad video every single day. Make sure that people return to your videos and subscribe to your channel, and you should do the same thing. How do you get more views? Watch this video right here to understand how, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Espion, peace out, bye bye, goodbye, bye bye bye.